Welcome to another Sacramento Airsoft Club video. This is Airsoft gameplay footage from November 22nd, 2025 at all Patriot Airsoft in Galt, California. This first game mode is a team deathmatch. The objective here is to shoot at the enemy players and try to prevent them from making any progress on the field.
There he is.
This game mode is called King of the Hill. The objective is to reach the kill house and flip the pole to your team's color. This game mode is called Ambush and Patrol, and the objective here is to try to push the enemy back from set borders and make progress on the field. This game mode is called Push the Bomb. The objective is to find the bomb on the field and try to push it to the enemy side of the field. This game mode is a team deathmatch. The objective here is to shoot at the enemy players and try to prevent them from making any progress on the field. This game mode is called Hardpoint. The objective is to get a team member to the building that's been identified by the ref by a smoke grenade and stay there for 2 minutes to get a point. This game mode is called Medevac. The objective is to find the stretcher on the field and take it back to spawn.
Yeah, I got him. Cover me.
This game mode is a team deathmatch. The objective here is to shoot at the enemy players and try to prevent them from making any progress on the field.